It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Tuesday, the 7th of September. I'm James Spann. Still the chance of a few scattered showers and storms tomorrow. After that, a really nice surge of dry air drops in here for Thursday, Friday, and the weekend. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country today. Got a large upper high out west and a downstream trough coming through the Great Lakes, producing some active thunderstorms to the north. There's the visible satellite view. Got a field of cumulus clouds across the state today, but really not much rain. That front is still through central Alabama, along and just south of Interstate 59. Got a few isolated showers there, but really not many. Most of the activity along Interstate 10 in the Florida Panhandle. Temperatures mostly mid-80s. Birmingham and Anniston 85, Tuscaloosa 87 this afternoon. Got a severe thunderstorm watch up north, parts of Illinois, Indiana, and Michigan. Otherwise, a pretty quiet day today. The main risk of severe storms from the Great Lakes down through parts of the Central Plain states. Tomorrow, a risk of severe storms for the Mid-Atlantic region and the Northeast U.S. And day 3, which is Thursday, no organized severe weather expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The west stays fairly dry. In Alabama, the northwestern counties of the state, no rain for the next 7 days. And again, south of Interstate 59, a little bit possible tomorrow. But after tomorrow, it's going to be dry for a while. In the tropics, watching Larry, a very impressive hurricane out there in the mid-Atlantic region, middle of the Atlantic. Top winds 115 miles an hour, down a little bit. System is gradually moving towards the northwest at 9 miles an hour. This will be passing east of Bermuda tomorrow night. Still, we have a tropical storm watch for Bermuda. It'll be close enough for some wind and rain. And it curls up toward the Canadian Maritimes and the North Atlantic late this week. And the little feature in the Gulf trying its best to get some convection going. This is Invest 91L. Hurricane Center increasing the chance of development a little bit to 40% as that moves into the northeastern Gulf across North Florida into the Atlantic. The main impact will be increased shower activity for the central Gulf Coast late tomorrow night, early Thursday. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. 594 upper high out west, downstream trough over the east. And down below that, a surface front approaching from the north. And that might kick off a few showers. That's the high-res NAM tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock. Really not showing much. We'll mention partly sunny sky tomorrow with a few scattered showers possible. Probably not too many. Highs mid to upper 80s. And we note the increased shower activity down on the Gulf Coast tomorrow evening at 6. That's with Invest 91L. Rain possible for Navarre Beach, Destin, Fort Walton Beach, Panama City. This is tomorrow night at midnight. And again, that feature moving on to the east. Showers, again, Panama City down toward Indian Pass. And for Alabama, again, the front coming through. Most of the showers diminishing at that point. Then Thursday, get into a very dry air mass. Beautiful day. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. The humidity values coming way down. And Friday will be in the 50s to start the day. That's going to feel good. For most places, the coolest morning so far this season. The high Friday, mid-80s. The humidity stays low. A great night for high school football Friday night. And a beautiful day Saturday as the weekend begins. Lots of sunshine. Highs mid to upper 80s. The humidity stays low. Sunday, sunny with upper 80s. Monday, we're still dry. Highs 87 to 90. And a week from today, Tuesday the 14th, got ridging building and still dry at that point. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, the 17th of September. 588 ridge in place. And again, looking awfully quiet. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. Not a lot between now and the 23rd of September. The amount's between 1 and 1.5 inches based on the mean there. Highs mostly 80s, lows mostly in the 60s for the next 10 days. But again, we're expecting many, many places to be in the 50s. Very refreshing early Friday morning. And hot off the presses, brand new CPC outlook. This is for September 15th through the 21st. Temperatures here would be a little above average if this verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with two N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.